The BLACK+DECKER electric leaf blower, leaf vacuum, and mulcher is a versatile 3-in-1 tool designed to make yard maintenance a breeze. With its seamless conversion between a corded leaf blower, leaf vacuum, and mulcher, this tool offers unparalleled versatility for various outdoor tasks. Whether you're clearing debris from hard surfaces or mulching leaves in the yard, the BLACK+DECKER electric leaf blower delivers powerful performance to get the job done quickly and effectively. With speeds of up to 250 miles per hour and airflow of up to 400 cfm, it provides the necessary power for efficient clearing. The backpack-style design of this leaf blower ensures hands-free operation and comfort during extended use, thanks to its easy-to-wear backpack with up to 2x the bag capacity. This allows users to tackle larger jobs without the hassle of constantly emptying the bag. Featuring PowerBoost technology, this leaf blower provides an extra boost of power at the push of a button, ensuring optimal performance when tackling tough debris. The addition of a flexi tube enhances maneuverability during vacuuming, allowing for easy navigation around obstacles and tight spaces. As an electric corded tool, the BLACK+DECKER electric leaf blower offers unlimited runtime, making it suitable for even the biggest jobs without the need for recharging or refueling. Included with the leaf blower are essential accessories such as a blow tube, vac tube, and backpack bag, providing everything you need for efficient yard maintenance. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER electric leaf blower, leaf vacuum, and mulcher impresses with its powerful performance, convenient features, and versatile functionality, making it an essential tool for any homeowner or outdoor enthusiast.